We got a new daily.
Welcome everybody to the new daily. It's a 2008 Honda Fit with 171,000 miles. Little wear and tear on here, but for the amount that I got for it, it is a really good deal, I feel. There's just a couple parts that need to be replaced and kind of just fixed a little, but overall this is a pretty sweet little car. I will be putting a couple videos together for this thing to go, but this is going to be my daily driver. I needed a car to go from the Bay Area and then back, Monday through Friday almost, so I wanted something kind of fun, but also really reliable. So my contenders were a Scion XB, first gen CRV, which is very hard to come by now, same with the XBs, and then these little things. I wanted a Honda Fit for a while, and I said screw it, so we're going to pull the trigger, and got one. Stay tuned, it's going to be fun. I showed some wear and tear on the parts. This car is definitely in a front end collision, and the guy kind of put like a weird toe thing on here. I'm going to try and remove all that stuff, but then kind of go through the process of just fixing all the little things on this car and show you all the cool quirks for it. You will notice there's the Del Sol shift knob on there. This thing came with like an 8-ball. In the parking lot I removed it because I just couldn't drive the car without it. It was just too not fun. But stay tuned, have fun. This is a cool, quirky little car. Definitely silly, but it's so freaking neat and weird at the same time. But yeah, no, have fun and stay tuned. Welcome to the car. So, as you can tell, the thing is donezo. I can't really get a good shot. I'll get my phone up in there maybe. But yeah, let's change that one. And then I ordered some stabilizer links because, oh, this one's pretty good actually. We're gonna replace that and that's gonna sound so much better. Alright. Ew. There's no way that's the factory horn. So, this is why I'm getting a new one. Dunzo. But, super easy, people. It is literally only two 14mm bolts and a 19 that holds the mount up. Just put some WD-40 on it, you know, some W. Jack your motor up, use a wood block so that way you don't do any damage. And it's literally 3 bolts. Super easy. Anyone can do it. And here we go. It is on, just like that. Make it a little bit easier to see. There we go. Sweet. You already know. Honda oil filter. And next is the stabilizer links now. Alright, here's the old one. As you can tell, this thing is like, it's even a struggle to get off. Good thing, remember there's an Allen key in the center, and that will save you. 14mm wrench. I think it's, what is this, 5mm Allen? Alright, my first initial impression, it's kind of cheap, but it's to be expected for a $50 freaking console. So all I have to do is just slide this guy in here, screw those pieces down, screw these guys to the top of that, and that just slides right in. So let's go throw that in. One of the things for this car which is interesting is if you got to take off your glove box and then remove the manual cables for either the air in and out, your feet to dash, and then the hot and cold. So once you get those off, they have little tabs, as you can see. It's gonna be very bad. They're like locked in those little tabs. But then to get these parts off them, so that tab, so that little tab right there, that locks behind that. So you gotta push that tab to slide these guys off. This one has a little Phillips. So let's keep going. Alrighty, here's my harness. Hopefully it's not too bad. I just got my REM for my sub. So let's look in. So for some reason the Fit did not come with a hood prop. I don't know why. So if y'all need the number for the hood prop,